Instagram versus Pinterest. Which one is right for your business? Reasons for Pinterest versus Instagram. So when you think about Instagram and the kind of content and what performs best on Instagram, it's a lot about behind the scenes. It's a lot about establishing a personal connection with a brand. So if you think about Instagram, it's a lot more personal than you would have with other type of platforms. So people want to see who's the person behind the brand, how can they connect with them. They really want to get to know the person behind the brand. So it's a much more deeper engagement with your audience, with your tribe, right? With people that are already aware of your brand, that really want to just get to know more about you. While Pinterest, it's a very different platform. It's actually a search engine. A lot of people think about it as a social media, but Pinterest is really a search engine. There are 45,000 searches done every single minute on Pinterest, with over 250 million users every single month. So it's a very different approach. Pinterest is more used to grow your audience, reach more people faster. People use Pinterest as a discovery tool. They use Pinterest to find out about new brands, about new products. So it's best to grow visibility, increase your audience, get more people to know about you. A lot of people on Pinterest, instead of looking for personal connections that they would on Instagram, on Pinterest they're looking for value. They're looking for how-tos. They're looking for ideas, for new brands, for things that will help them solve their problems. They're looking to buy. Pinners, so Pinterest users, are buyers. It's a very different platform and a very different approach. And so there's different reasons for using both of them at different time in your business. When you think about Instagram, it's best for engagement. It's best for deepening connections with your audience, for growing a tribe. It's best for doing that one-to-one, that engagement, that deep personal connection. While on Pinterest, it's best for growing your visibility, getting more and more and more people to know about you in a faster way, right? We all know if you've been on Instagram, it's very difficult to get people off of Instagram and to get them to your site and to click and go from Instagram to your products, to your courses and your coaching programs. It's very difficult to achieve that. But on Pinterest, it's actually a platform that's built for that. It's built for driving traffic to sites. So it's very different. So if you're at a point in time, and I want you to think about your current traffic, when you're thinking about your own traffic, where are you right now? Are you getting people to read your blog posts? Are you getting people to engage with your videos, to watch them? If people are not aware of your website, then you need to get yourself on Pinterest. If you don't have an audience, or you're tired of paying for ads and you want to start generating some free traffic to your site and growing your visibility, getting people to know you, growing your email list, and getting more clients for your course, your online education company or your coaching practice, then definitely Pinterest is the way to go.
Started using Pinterest for your business, simply click on the link below this video, enter your name and email address, and you'll receive a free Pinterest roadmap to help you get started successfully on Pinterest.